all offers will always have the My Candidates tab. In this section, two types of candidates are shown. First, those who have applied to your offer, either because they have seen it published and have decided to apply, or because our team of talent advocates presented your project to them and they were interested in the position. And second, candidates you invited from the Discover tab who have accepted your invitation. These are specified with the Invite Accepted tag. Unlike the previous tab, in the My Candidates section, you have all the personal information of the candidates: name, contact information, LinkedIn, and GitHub profiles. From here, you can manage the status of all the candidates in your selection process. You can invite them to a technical test, discard them if they don't fit, or move forward with them through different stages of your hiring process: interview, technical interview, offer, and hired. And that's how you can view and manage your candidates through Rviewer. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to discuss them with our customer success team.